Ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs rengkat berka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA kilayale Burom yaki sanspa Ngut ki Samla Ialehkai sport beper haka khat South Regular ha North Eastern Hill University ki balawan na keleng ki district jong Khuborjylla kentup ki Samla ki balawan ra 6 haka lumpung 7th Meghalaya Games ka balong hatura lengba ka jing Peit thu bat Peit benya ada ka MSOA hadu khat saw hajar sanspa Ngut ki knarit ki bana ki district jong Khuborjylla la penlong ki lempung ban ithu ki sab ki phong Ialehkai ba bonjat ha uni usnam arjar arpusaw hadu arpusan kum kini ki jing Peit thu enjet sa shipau hajar Ngut ki knarit ban kentiu ki sab Ialehkai jong ki lengba ka super elite program en ai jing hikai bajana ki khat wengut ki nong Ialehkai Khuborjylla ki ban mi khmat banyak aireng haki jinga kop national but international haki ni ki khandiat benai hadu mentar ka tenat sports and youth affairs kala penlut prapun riu lak tengka ban kersan bat ban ai khusnam shaki arspa khandai puh nyaungut ki Samla Ialehkai bat shaki nong hikai coach jong Khuborjylla ya kapisa benrap scholarship naga benta ki Samla Ialehkai en sasam naga benta shisnam nadu ubna ya yong arhajar arpusaw hadu leber arhajar arpusan laong menteri rangba hakani kasngi le Burom ki Samla Ialehkai Khuborjylla la pensngan ta kajinga don lang uba DP Walang chief secretary ka kong Isawan Lalu director of sports bar John Abraham aktor bar utrai jaka North East United Football Club ka Sarkar Meghalaya bar John Abraham kila menjur ban kentiu ya ka football hakani Khuborjylla hakini kisnam banwan ka jaka naga benta kani ka jing thmu bantai ya ka madan football bakensai daga North East United Football Club lamang hasnong mau kanu East Khasi Hills lapen bena menteri rangba
Welcome, sir.
Mobile photographer, come back.
Congratulations to our state. We will be having the football academy here. Thank you so much to our Honourable Chief Minister and thank you to the North East United Football Club. Thank you, Sport Youth Affairs, for the welcome address, Madam. Our Director, Madam, the President of the MSOA, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, welcome, sir. For winning being the first runners-up in the solo guitar. Coming to it's a group of 10 artists. Congratulations to the team from the East Giant Hills district. Let's give a big round of applause for the team from East Giant Hills District. They deserve our clap. They have performed for our state and yes, we are proud of you all. Yes, we have heard them. The rock band from West Khasi Hills District, please come up and receive your award. Banjob Mirthong, Bankit Bok Rani, Khubor Mirthong, John Gilbert Marweng, and Triangbok Ding Dong. I hope you all love them. Do you love them? Let's give them a big round of applause. Yes, we are very, very happy also to award one of the team that participate in the Northeast Youth Festival. For the second time, our state won a trophy in the one-act play. Let's give a big round of applause and invite on stage the team from East Garo Hills District winning the first runners-up trophy.
Round of applause for the athletics, Marso Kinda. On the way is yes, a round of applause, please. On the way is Advitya AG from chess. Please give a round of applause for Advitya AG, a 7-year-old boy championship in chess. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, come on, a round of applause for Advitya. Next we have from football team Alan Campbell Lingdor Nongri and Donbosco Lam Lingdor. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Alan Campbell Lingdor Nongri. And yes, we also have Donbosco Lam Lingdor. A big round of applause. Coming to golf, we have Satisfy Singkon. Satisfy Singkon from Shillong from Arm Wrestling. Please give a round of applause. Coming to athletics, we have Glorify Kurba and Marso Kindal. Please give a round of applause for Glorify Kurba and Marso Kindal from athletics. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause. Coming to chess, we have the 7-year-old boy, Aditya AG.
You need to set targets. You need to fix a vision, a goal. And then you need to be able to define the process and the route with which you will achieve those goals. These are basic principles for any organization to be able to lead or reach to a desired goal or objective or vision that they have. And hence, the youth became the center of our policy making. The youth became the center of our approach as to what we need to do. It was not the schemes anymore. It was not the programs anymore. It was not the officials or the politicians anymore. It was what is good for the youth of our state, this government will do. And that is why, if you've noticed in the last 5 to 6 years, the policies we created, the programs that we made were youth-centric. I remember as a youth, I was 21 years old. I just finished my undergrad from University of Pennsylvania. I thought I'd come back to my state, to my country, because my father told me, you can go and study in the US, but you better come back. My only condition is you will come back and you will give back whatever you have learned to our people, is what his condition was. I still remember. And I came back. And I was so excited to start my own business. And I was working and working and working, and I just looked around everywhere. And there was nobody to help me. There was nobody to even guide me. There was no schemes of the government. There was nothing that would motivate me to actually start my own business. There was no enterprising ecosystem or an entrepreneurship ecosystem existing in our state and the country also. To be among the top 10 states in the country, it cannot happen with Conrad Sangma or DP Walang alone. It can only happen if the state, if the people, and especially the youth, become part of this goal, of this objective, of this mission that we have. And that is why, friends, youth is at the center of the policies that we make. that almost close to 50% of sports infrastructure, 50% of the sports infrastructure, close to 45, 40 plus, almost close to 50% of the sports infrastructure that is there in the state today, close to 50% was created in the last 3 years alone. In the last 3 years alone, close to 50% of the entire sports infrastructure in the history of the state was made in the last 3 years. Out of the 5 Meghalaya games that has been held in the history of our state, 5 Meghalaya games only, 3 of them were in the last 5 years. And now it's going to happen every year. For the first time, it was this government that introduced the sports awards and was felicitating and rewarding the medalists in the state games or with the national games or any other national competition that is there. It is this government that started giving scholarship to our students who are getting medals in national games and in national competitions at different disciplines that are there. We give scholarship to these students so that you're able to continue your studies, get money to be able to invest in different sports and programs and buy maybe equipments that you need. It may not be enough, but at least it is a support that you're getting from the government. And yes, if necessary, we will do even more.
Identification Phase 3 and Elite Pathway Programs 2024-25 has been launched. As we watch these balloons soar high above, let us be reminded of the limitless potential within each and every one of us here. See, with a bouquet of flowers as a token of love. A round of applause. The next felicitation goes to... So, without delay, may I humbly request our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri President Meghalaya State Olympic Association, to kindly deliver the introductory speech.